ಪ್ರಿಯ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು 2 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is equal to 8 to the power of x. Then what is x? Can you find the value of x? So it is very simple. You can easily solve this problem. Let us take the equation 2 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is equal to 8 to the power of x. So now 2 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is equal to 8 to the power of x. This is the equation. So now we want to find x. ಈ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 2 to the power of x ಇಂದ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x, 4 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x and 8 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 2 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 plus 4 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x, which is equal to 8 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x. So ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ 2 to the power of x on both side of the equation. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು which implies ನಾವೇನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus this is 2 to the power of 4 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x is 2 to the power of x and 8 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x is 4 to the power of x. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ we can write as a to the power of x divided by b to the power of x. So a to the power of x divided by b to the power of x, we can write it as a divided by b whole to the power of x. So when the exponential, the power is same, ಎರಡು ಪವರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ whole to the power of x ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, in the place of a4 is there, in the place of b2 is there, so therefore we can write 4 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x can be written as 4 divided by 2 to the power of x. Then 4 divided by 2 is 2 to the power of x. What we are written here, 4 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x is 2 to the power of x. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆ ನಂತರ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ 8 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of x, so which is equal to 8 divided by 2 whole to the power of x. Then 8 divided by 2 is 4 to the power of x. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬಂತು, 1 plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of x. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇದನ್ನ ಫರ್ದರ್ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಾವು ಫರ್ದರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ 1 plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of x. ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 to the power of, so 1 plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of x, which implies 1 plus 2 to the power of x into, so this 4 can be written as 2 square whole to the power of x. So simply we have done 4 as 2 to the power of 2 square. So then we will get, or we can write this as 1 plus 2 to the power of x, which is equal to 2 to the power of x whole to the power of 2. So we are replacing these terms. So this is also one of the property of the exponential, so which says that, so x to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to x to the power of n whole to the power of m ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Since we can write this as x to the power of m whole to the power of n, which is equal to x to the power of n whole to the power of m. So just we are replacing this, nothing will changes. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ now we can put this term as a one constant term or any arbitrary value. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸುಲಭ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು 2 to the power of x ಗೆ ಒಂದು k ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So now let put the 2 to the power of x is equal to k. So 2 to the power of x is equal to k ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ 1 plus k is equal to k square. So therefore equation is reduced. Equation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus k is equal to k square ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು quadratic equation ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So we will bring all the variables to one side. All the variables and constant terms na one side and left hand side in this side ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಾಗ equation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, k square minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. We will bring this plus k to this side and 1 to the other side. So then the equation is reduced to k squared minus k minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is of the quadratic equation form. So this is the quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ax square plus bx plus c ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ is equal to 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ equation ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ coefficients ಏನಿದೆ ಅವು a b c values. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ x squared coefficient a is equal to 1. So here x coefficient is the minus 1, b is equal to minus 1, and the constant term coefficient is minus 1. This is c. So then a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 1 are the values of a, b, c. So for this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, and c is equal to minus 1. So by using these coefficient values a, b, c value, we can solve this equation, quadratic equation, by using the solution for the quadratic equation. We can write as k is equal to minus k plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we know that b is equal to minus 1 and a is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 1. By substituting the values of a, b, c, we can get the k is equal to minus of, in the place of b we return minus 1 plus r minus square root of, by in the place of b minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 in the place of a, 1 is there, and in the place of c minus 1 is there, whole divided by 2 into 1. After simplification, minus into minus plus 1 plus r minus square root of minus 1 whole square is 1. Here minus 4 into minus 1, minus into minus plus 4 whole divided by 2 into 1 is 2. So then k is equal to 1 plus r minus root 5 whole divided by 2. So this is the solution. So we have two solutions for the value of k. One is k is equal to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. And another solution is k is equal to 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. We have two solutions. So by here these two solutions, we can say that what is this k value? K is equal to 2 to the power of x. So the 2 to the power of x is always a positive value. 2 to the power of x is always a positive value. But here when you simplify this term in the right hand side of the equation, 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, this is positive, you will get the positive. But in this case, root 5 is greater than 1. So because when the root 5 is greater than 2, so therefore you will get negative value. But here k to the power of x, whatever you give the value of x, you will get the positive value. So therefore we can neglect or reject this term. We can reject this term and we can accept this term k is equal to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 can be accepted. This value can be accepted. Therefore, the k value is 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. So now let us take the k value 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, and we know that k is equal to 2 to the power of x. So which implies 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 plus root 5 whole divided by 2. So idu k is equal to 2 to the power of x. Hagagi 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 plus root 5 whole divided by 2. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ we can find easily the x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೋ ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So then ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, log of 2 to the power of x is equal to log of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Log of 2 to the power of x is equal to log of 1 plus root 5 whole divided by 2. So ಇದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ? log of a to the power of x ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ. log of a to the power of x is ಏನು ಪವರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ that will comes in the beginning multiplied with the log of the value. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ this can be written as x log 2. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ so this implies x log 2 is equal to log of 1 plus root 5 divided by whole divided by 2. So ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು x value. So then we can write x is equal to log of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2 whole divided by log 2. So x is equal to log of 1 plus root 5 whole divided by 2 then whole divided by log 2. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ವೋಷಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ or logarithmic property, this 2 will comes to the base. So then we can write x is equal to log of 1 plus root 5 whole divided by 2 with base 2. So log of 1 plus root 5 whole divided by 2 with base 2 is the solution for x. So this is one of the property. A property na ನಾವು ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. Since log any function, suppose a divided by log with e, so we can write as log a with base e. So log a with base e ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೀಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂತು. ಸೊ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಯಿತು? log of 1 plus root 5 whole divided by 2 with base e is the solution for x. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಾವು ಲಾಗರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಎರಡೂ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಗಳನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೀವು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅವಾಗ ನಾನು ಆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಉತ್ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತಾ, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.